Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use HSTACK function on your Google Sheets. So I have three different data sets: product, amount and month. I'm going to horizontally stack them. So I'm going to write the formula here, which is HSTACK. I'm going to select the formula, and now I'm going to select the ranges based on my requirement. I want product to be first, and then amount, and then the month. After closing the parenthesis, hit enter. It will reflect here as it is. But if you want to change the order, always you can do it. So instead of selecting the product first, I'm going to select the month, and then I'm going to select the product, and then I'm going to select the amount. As you can see, the month is first, and then product, and then amount. So based on your requirement, you can stack them as per your requirement. And also you can use for multiple sheets within the same sheet. If you have multiple tabs here, you can also stack them horizontally. So since my data is in the current tab, so I stack them. So that's it from my end. Thank you so much for watching.